It's good for the mechanics too because they have better facilities to work in, a lot more room to work in. They can get you in and out faster. And your mechanics are amazing and they do such a great job and they're polite also. I mean, they are. It's just, it's a different vibe here than other places I worked at. And I didn't even know. I had no idea. I was just working hard and I couldn't have done it without my dispatchers and the office staff because that's the support staff. A lot of people don't realize you need good support staff and good communication with the office to be able to achieve things on the road. If you want to make money as a driver, the office got to keep you rolling. The mechanics got to keep you rolling, right? You don't make money if the truck's breaking down all the time. I've never broke down on the road because of the maintenance here, okay? And when I have a maintenance issue on the road, before it breaks down, I see a leak on my pre-trip or a problem on my pre-trip, I call the office, immediately they're sending me to a shop somewhere to get it fixed. They're not trying to drag it out. They're not trying to get me stuck on the side of the road. Other carriers, I've sat on the side of the road for a long time waiting for the Love's truck to come help me. I've done different because they do break down. They won't listen to you. The driver doesn't know anything. At C1, I'm not a truck mechanic. I don't know everything, but if I look at something wrong, they actually listen to me and they look at it to verify if there's a problem or not. If it's not that big of a deal, they tell me, Mike, it's not that big of a deal. We'll just fix this or whatever. But if it's a big deal, like I just brought in maintenance and the trailer needed 2 wheel seals and brakes, I didn't know that. I knew something was wrong. But not being a mechanic, but they looked at it yesterday and they just changed all that stuff and the guy said, yeah, we changed all that. They're just so good here. They don't make you feel dumb for not knowing how to be a truck mechanic. We're just drivers, we're not truck mechanics. So that's the other thing, like other companies will be like, it's somehow your fault that the wheel seal, you can't break that, you know, just wear and tear. The craziest thing is a truck driver, that's hard. There's a lot of crazy stuff I've seen truck drivers.